Hello guys, welcome to the first section and the second video for the first section. Okay, now in the first video in the first section I talked about how you can be able to create your page. Now in this video I'm going to teaching you how to create ads, sponsor ad on your ads manager. First of all, let's go through the ads manager, how it looks, how you can be able to create your account in ads manager and so on. Now if you want to be able to access your ads manager, first of all you log into your Facebook, then click you open a new tab and you click business.facebook.com. Take note, business.facebook.com. Immediately you click on it, if you don't have an account, it will just show you an icon to create. You click on create new, you fill in the information, but make sure you are logging. If you are logging, to just redirect you down to your business ads manager. Okay, now in your Facebook account you can be able to create ads in this particular way. Now let me show you how to do that. Before we go to the ads manager, let me show you this first. Network is a little bit slow. Okay, all right. Now in your Facebook account you will see this plus icon here. Where you see this plus icon, you click on the icon that shows create. What this means is that you can be able to advertise. This is your normal way of advertising. You click on create, advertise your business slash brand or organization. Click on it. If you click on it, it will still take you to your ads manager. It's either you click on it create to go to your ads manager, or you go business.facebook.com. But just click on business.facebook.com. Make sure you logged in your Facebook. Okay, now I'm going to walk you your way around the business.facebook.com, how it looks like. Now this is how the business of Facebook looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. I believe majority of you have already seen it. Make sure you're accessing this with your laptop. Okay, so for better and more effective results. Okay, now if in your business.facebook.com, you're going to see this category. Now let me just show you. You're going to see different category. Immediately you click on this three icon here, this menu, you click on it, you will see your ads manager, your billing, your ad account, your business setting, your audience, your account quality, and so on. Now in this first tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how your ads manager. Let's start with the ads manager. Your ads manager, if you click on your ads manager, it will redirect you where. Let's click on the ads manager, where you can be able to run your ads. That is what the ads manager does. Here you can be able to run your ads, and there are different objectives on how to run ads on Facebook, which you already know about that. Once you click on your ad manager, it will redirect you down to your where you can be able to see the different objective of for ads. Then the second one is billing. Then the third one is account set. If you want to set up your account, the other one is business setting. Now let's look at the ads manager. Let's see. Now this is your ads manager. This is your ad manager. I have several accounts where I do my ads. Okay, now this is how your ads manager will look like. Then immediately you click on create. No, let me not use this one. Go back. Let me use this one. Okay, immediately you click on create. You click on create, you are going to be seeing the different objectives for Facebook. Now if you check, there are three objectives here. Number one is awareness, consideration, and conversion. Now one of the reasons why people don't get profitable, they don't know how to run profitable ads, is that most times we work on awareness and traffic and so on. But the thing is that the best way of running ads is conversion. This, what this means is that you're actually telling Facebook that I want sales. Okay, you are not just promoting your product or service for promoting sales. You are telling Facebook that, okay, I want conversion, I want sales for my ad. That's what you are trying to tell Facebook. Okay, you are going to go deep in this particular objective. This awareness is more like you are reaching your brand or your services to large audience of people, to more people. Now this is very, very good, whereby you're just starting you can run ads for awareness, to make people know about you. Then before you move down to consideration, you know, when people first need to know about you before they will consider you, then before lastly they begin to buy from you. Okay, now the second one, now before we start to go into the ads practical. Now let's move down to billing. Now this billing is where you can be able to add money. Where you can be able to add money in your Facebook account, because most of us are using prepaid account or postpaid, but prepaid is the very easy also. When you click on billing, then you can be able to add money to your card. You can be able to add money to your account. You can see now there are several accounts here. Make sure you create several accounts for your ads manager. You are not going to be using one account, because you're going to be doing a lot of testing and so on to know the one that convert very well. Okay, now immediately you click on payment, it will direct you down to where you can able to put your card and you add money to your account. Okay, now let's move. Now this particular audience, now what this means, most people don't know about this thing, audience. Now what this thing actually means is that you're actually going to search for people who are on Facebook. Let me say, for example, you want to promote a specific product and you want to know people who are going to purchase this kind of people. You want to know the category of people who are going to purchase it. Then you actually look at audience. Like I said, before you run any ads on any product, I say make sure you do research. I'm going to be showing you ways on how you can able to do research. We're going to be talking about Google Trends, Uber Suggest, and so on. This class is going to be a practical class. Make sure you take action for everything. Now, this audience here is more like let me show you how this one. This one now, for example, you want to create an audience. You want to create an audience, costume audience. Let me show you it. It's loading now. You want to create a costume audience. You want to upload your customer list and so on. This is how your thing is loading. All you need to do is to click on create audience. You can create a custom audience. Now these are people who have already shown interest in your business or product. Then a look-alike audience, these are people who have bought similar products or services for you. Then all you need to do is to upload them. Now what I'm going to be doing is going to create custom audience. Now what this means is that most of us already have a large email list, a large place where we store our audience. You can actually, if you have a website, you can actually upload your audience from your website, or if you have an email list, you maybe like form of a list whereby you have all your customer written down. Then maybe you want to upload for people, most especially those who have large audience on Instagram. You can upload from your Instagram or your Facebook page. People are ready to interact with your e-commerce store and so on. Now for example, I want to be using our customer list, which is like our email list. They want to upload from that. Then you add, you click on add to business, and let's create a new ad account for this one. Okay, let's go back. Okay, now let's go back first. Now this is, let's talk about this one first. Now this billing, you can just click on add money, then you put in your card details, then you pay. Okay, now we're going to be touching this thing one after the other, one after the other. And you put the amount you want to pay. You can pay with your local card and you add funds to it. All right, now this your ads manager, we're going to be talking about, the awareness, the consideration, then the conversion. Okay, now in the next video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use your objective, starting from your awareness, your consideration, and your conversion. Now in this video we talked about how you can be able to run ads by clicking on the create button, or you go to business.facebook, or to create an account for yourself, or you make sure you're logged in your Facebook so that you can be able to redirect it to your ads manager account. Okay, like I talked about this shortcut, how the ads manager, the billing, the ad account, and so on. Okay, now let's talk about this ad account before we pause this video and move to the next lesson. It's loading now. Okay, if you create your ad account, make sure you create another ad account for yourself. You can create multiple ad accounts. As you can see, I have more than 5 ad accounts. Now, how you can be able to do that? You come down to the ad account setup. You put in your name, then put in your business name, put in your address, then put you're in Nigeria. I believe majority of us in Nigeria. At the end of the day, now you click no, I'm not running for an agency. Or if you want to be doing an agency work, you can be doing it. Then you click on save changes. They have already successfully create an ad account for yourself. So guys, in the next video, we're going to be moving to detailed about how you can be able to create ads for your business. Okay, and make sure you follow up the first. So this particular video is talking about how you can be able to go to your business.facebook. You can go through your normal Facebook, or you can click on the create button to move to the business.facebook. Okay, see you guys in the next lesson, and I hope you got value from this video. Okay, bye.